Good morning, ma'am. I am examining number 001. Narito po ako upang kumuha ng oral and practical exam. Narito po ang aking permit. Ma'am, maaari ko na po bang ihanda ang kagamitan ko sa pagmamasahe?
Go ahead.
Ma'am, naihanda ko na po ang aking kagamitan sa pagmamasahe. Maaari ko na po bang papasukin ng aking client?
Go ahead.
Good morning, ma'am. Meron pang 2 hours pa. Ma'am, ano po masakit sa inyo?
Ang likod ko po.
Ilang araw na po yan, ma'am?
Magkadalawang araw na po.
Napatingnan niyo na po ba yan sa doktor?
Hindi pa po eh.
Sige, ma'am, titingnan ko po kung ano yung may tutulong ko. Ma'am, pakifill up po. Sige, ma'am, bilang validation po, kukunan ko po kayo ng vital sign. Ma'am, tulad po ng sinabi ninyo na masakit ang inyong likuran, kayo po ay fit for massage. Maaari na po kayong dumapa sa massage table. There are 5 basic strokes of massage. Effleurage, petrissage, friction, tapotement, and vibration. First basic stroke of massage, effleurage. Other term, gliding. Unbroken gliding movements following the contour of the body using palm, knuckles, fingertips, and forearms. Variation, one-handed. It has 3 sub-variations: raking, ironing, and circular. Raking. 2 fingertips or 5 fingertips together or apart with pressure. Ironing. Dip using palm, forearm, and fist. Circular. Palm gliding on skin, in circular motion. Two-handed. Both hands gliding on skin simultaneously. It has two sub-variations, heart shape and circular. Heart shape. Long deep stroke done by moving hands in heart shape motion. Circular. One hand over or beside the other in circular motion. Alternate hands. It has two sub-variations, raking and circular. Raking. Same as one-handed raking, but using two hands alternately. Circular. Nerve stroke. Feather-like finger tracing. Petrasats, other term kneading. Cyclorhythmic, lifting, squeezing, and releasing of tissue. Subvaration, simple plumb squeeze. Praying hands and ocean waves. Praying hands, finger interlace, palm squeezing upward. Ocean waves, gliding hands and opposite direction with compression. Alternate hands, grasp and release alternately. Pulling, palm or thumb pressure separating while moving upward. Skin rolling, lifting skin and superficial fascia, no downward force involved. Friction, other term rubbing, compressing tissue in several directions, sliding hands, open palm, fingers, or knuckles, back and forth with the skin or deeper tissue, usually without oil. Superficial warming, heat rub palm, moving briskly in opposite direction. Rolling, hold limb with open hands back and forth from distal to proximal. Ringing, grasp firmly while twisting opposite direction. Cross fiber, fingers movement perpendicular to muscle, fiber with moderate to heavy pressure. Okay na. Hayaan. Taputment, other term percussion. Repetitive staccato, striking movements of hands simultaneously or alternately, using ulnar surface of hands, fingertips, open palm, cup palm, closely closed fist. Subvaration, tapping, it has three subvariations: punctuation, pulsing, and raindrops. Punctuation, called hard tapping. Pulsing, alternate deep light. Raindrops, very light fingertips, tap on skin different times. Pincement, skin is lifted, grasping quickly at the point of striking. Hacking, quacking, chop using ulnar edge of one or both hands with finger relax or strike with last three fingertips along muscle relaxation, across muscle microcontraction. Cupping, cup hands, losing phlegm and chest cavity with induced cupping. Pounding, loose fist beating moderate strength when applied palm down wrapping. clapping, slapping. Palm striking skin with alternate stroke, not recommended for victim of abuse. Ma'am, technically dahil ang diffuse ay ginagawa sa tiyan ng client, but for them demonstration of massage, maaari ko po ba itong gawin sa aking tiyan? Diffuse. Lay palmar surface on skin while striking back of hands to diffuse force moving across the surface. Vibration. Other term, shaking. It is a rapid shaking trembling or rocking movements applied with fingertips or full hands. Fine. Fingertips trembling the skin, fingers and wrist gliding along. Adjusting. Rhythmic and vigorous shaking back and forth, grasp and most proximal point, and slide down distally. Rocking. Push and catch motion.
Dito post massage.
Ma'am, tapos na po ang pagmamasahe. Maaari po kayong magpahinga ng ilang sandali. Babalikan ko po kayo maya-maya lang, ma'am. Ma'am, tapos na po ang pagpapahinga. Maaari na po kayong tumagilid upang maiwasan po ang pagkahilo. At i-assist ko po kayo ng dahan-dahan sa inyong pagtayo. Ma'am, sa ating pagmamasahe, kamusta na po kayo?
Okay naman na po.
Ma'am, para ma-validate po ang inyong nararamdaman, during massage po, from 0 to 10, ang 0 ay walang sakit na nararamdaman at ang 10 ay sobrang sakit na nararamdaman. Alin po kayo dito?
5 po.
After massage po, ang 0, from 0 to 10, ang 0 ay walang nararamdaman at ang 10 ay sobrang sakit ang nararamdaman. Alin po kayo dito?
2.
Ma'am, mas makabubuti po sana kung magkakaroon tayo ng treatment or session. 2 beses sa loob ng 1 linggo. 1 oras bawat sesyon. Para ma-improve po ang ating kalusugan, mag-exercise po tayo araw-araw, uminom ng maraming tubig, at magpahinga ng sapat na oras. May iba pa po ba kayong concern?
Wala naman na po.
Kung wala na po ma'am, maaari na po ba kayong i-assist palabas?
Sige po.
For coming ma'am.
Salamat din po.
And that's it, my presentation of 5 basic stroke of massage. I am Marilo Enebrad and my modelation is Pilapil and we are from Asian Wellness Spa Academy. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.